In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add booking reviews in Webflow, easiest way. First, open your Webflow account and head to the dashboard. From there, open the site where you want the reviews to appear. It's helpful to already know which page and section you'll place the reviews in, so keep that in mind as you proceed. Next, we'll set up the Reviews widget. Go to the Elfsight website and choose Explore Widgets. From the gallery, pick Google Reviews. Click Create Widget for free to start a new widget, then View Widget to open its editor. In Elfsight, you'll see a live preview and options to pick your business location and adjust the layout, card style, star display, and more. Make quick adjustments now so the widget looks close to what you want on your site. When you're happy with the preview, go to the Embed code option inside Elfsight. This is where you'll get the snippet you'll paste into Webflow. If you're prompted about plans, choose the option that fits your needs. You can proceed and still test the widget. Copy the provided embed code to your clipboard. Switch back to Webflow and open the page where the reviews should appear. In the Add panel, find the Embed component and drag it into the exact spot in your layout where the reviews should live, inside a section or container, so it follows your page's spacing and responsive rules. Open the Embed component, paste the code you copied from Elfsight, and save. A quick note here. The Embed component is available with a paid Webflow account or active site plan. If you don't see it in your Add panel, you'll need to upgrade before you can continue. With the code in place, publish your site. Script-based widgets like this don't fully render inside the Webflow designer, so checking the published site is essential. Visit the live page, refresh if needed, and you should see your reviews appear with the styling you chose in Elfsight. If the layout needs fine-tuning, return to Elfsight to tweak spacing, number of reviews, or theme, then save and refresh your published page. For design consistency, you can wrap the embed in a div block and apply your site's padding or background color. Test on mobile, tablet, and desktop to confirm everything is responsive. If you don't see immediate changes, clear your browser cache or try an incognito window. That's it. You've added reviews to Webflow the easy way. Publish any final